do at Med Fitness, and I'm not saying you have to do what we do at Med Fitness, but twice would be ideal, because if you're doing a full body workout, you're addressing all the muscles of your body. You don't need to come back tomorrow to get your hips because you didn't train them today. You don't need to come back on Saturday because you didn't hit the biceps. You're getting those muscles every time you train. And so if I go in and do that full body workout, I can accomplish everything I need to do with 2 intense full body workouts. And we'll define what does intensity look like. How many exercises would I need here? Do I need 80 exercises? You need between 6 to 10. We'll break down the exercises in just a second. But we can work all your muscles with about 6 to 10 exercises if you choose the right ones. Now, if all you're doing is bicep curls for your whole workout, that's not going to train your whole body. So the right exercises, I can address all the main muscles of your body with between 6 to 10. We do 8 at Med Fitness. It just happens to be what we do. But it's unnecessary to have to stockpile exercise after exercise after exercise when I'm choosing the right ones, and we'll say a little more about that in just a second. The other thing is this whole issue of compliance today. You know, when you think about living healthy, don't you know this to be true with doctors and healthcare professionals? They'll tell you to do something. Here's what you should do, Richard, to take care of that. And you go home and a month passes and you've done absolutely nothing, right? We see this all the time with health habits. What we know is not what we do. And so what we want to try to do is make it ridiculously easy to comply with, almost foolproof. And so when we look at that, our attendance data last year, 2024, this is one of the many things we track at MedFitness. How many of our clients who set an appointment to work out actually showed up and did the